Hi, my name is Wexler. I'm an oil painter from Camarillo, California, and this is my purpose. My work is mostly inspired by my experiences. I've gone through a lot in my life, and I'm kind of using art as a therapy for myself and others. I think that art could tell a story, and I think that my art tells a story. We all are creators, and we've forgotten about that. We are all images of God, and God is a creator, so therefore we are creators. And when we're creating, we're at our highest level, and we're more connected to God that way. I think that the earth now than ever needs like a feminine energy, and I think that all artists are kind of translating that in a certain way into their own way of what that is, and that shows in my work, I think. I think that people have lost touch with what's really important, and art reminds us of that. Art can take you to the different places and different feelings, and it gives you emotions, and people are always trying to numb emotions, and that's what the opposite of what we should be doing. Emotions are power, emotions are energy. Emotions can drive you to do things that are amazing. That's what makes us all human, right? Art can heal you with the certain emotions that you feel from looking at a certain piece. It can bring back a nostalgic from either past, present, or future. Imagery is very powerful. Eyes are the windows of the soul. So anything that you're looking at, that's why TV and everything else is so important to censor out, because it's all subconscious, it's all subliminal. We don't even know it when we're looking at art, what it's doing to us, you know? That's what's powerful about it. And that's what's interesting to certain people, you know, resonating with certain artworks.